Hello there, class. My name is the Operating 3, and I'm going to be going over my organization in which I work, which is a fast food restaurant called Dunkin' Donuts. Now, if you live in the Northeast, you know that there's a lot of Dunkin' Donuts. You can never go around one street corner without bumping into at least 3 Dunkin' Donuts. That's how many there are here and how many industries there are here. Okay, so hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so this is Dunkin' Donuts. They are obviously known for their coffees and their hardworking crew members and their yummy donuts. So, the type of organization. My organization is considered to be normative. Majority of our workers here make their own end goals. Are here for their own end goals, and they are here to make their own profit from the company. It is also normative because people choose to work here in this industry. Okay. What role do race, ethnicity, gender, and class play in this organization? The company Kung Fu Management is owned by a white man who is a majority. However, most of the store managers I've seen since living here in Rhode Island and Massachusetts are of minority races, such as African American, Latino, and Portuguese. My boss is Portuguese, and as well as most of my crew members here in Rhode Island. The team I work with is majority female, and we have about 2 males on our entire roster. Usually, when I enter any Dunkin' Donuts establishment, the majority working are female. You might have like a few males scattered here and there, but the majority are female. Most workers are of lower class, with a few being middle class. Management and higher get a higher paying wage than normal crew members. We also have lead crew members, which are normal crew members who get the chance to be in charge over shifts. They also have a higher wage than the average crew members, but it is also lower than management. Describe the culture of the organization. The culture of Dunkin' revolves around our positive workers. Coming into a place that's really lively, and that's what you get every day from me and my coworkers, along with fresh smelling coffee and pastries, just will put a smile on anybody's face. We are here to volunteer all the time at our local Red Crosses. We're just known for being volunteers and helping out in our community, as well as giving to our community. We are known for our amazing coffee and our sustainability of having a hard-working team who wants to dedicate their time to customers. The thing any employer or customer would say that makes Dunkin' great is the crew members. Many people typically conform Do people typically conform to expect patterns of behavior? What sections are in place for those who do not conform? At my organization, we're usually getting rules and jobs for each employee to keep the environment neat, clean, and healthy for both customers and crew members. Employees typically conform to standard given rules of fast food, such as washing hands, doing dishes, cleaning bathrooms, because germs are spread rather quickly and easily by hand. If anyone were to break the rules, however, they would get a warning first time. Second time, they'll either get another warning or they get a write-up. And a third time, the consequences are worse, which could ultimately result in termination. Depending on what they have done, could skip the first two and go straight to the third one, which is termination. How does the organization encourage this conformity? Signed contracts at the time of employment and our manager are in place to oversee the crew and make sure everyone is doing what they should. If workers do not conform, they risk termination of their source of income. And that is the end of my presentation. Thank you guys for watching.